Got a Roper washer in excellent condition. It is running a very heavy load of jeans and towels. It's about halfway through its cycle. Excellent job through the wash cycle. Agitation is very strong. Sounds really good. What we'll do is make sure that it has a balanced spin cycle, and when it's done spinning, that there's no excess water in the clothes before we move them over to the dryer. Okay, and here we are on the spin cycle. Do an excellent job. Considering how heavy that load is, it is doing an excellent job. So we'll let it finish out. Sounds good. We'll check the clothes to make sure that all the water spun out of them. Then we'll get them moved over to the dryer. Okay, and we've got this load finished up here. Just grab some of these. Towel wrapped around the jeans here. Excellent, okay. Check this guy out. Alright. Excellent. These are nice and light with no excess water in them. Perfect. Okay, we'll get those moved over to the dryer and get that dryer tested. Okay, so we have moved the clothes from the washer over to the dryer. Just want you to get a listen for that. Sounds really good. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating. See, my little red dot shows the outside temperature. I'm going to do is show you the inside temperature. Now right in here is the heating element tube. It's going to be pretty hot inside that tube. And then the inside of the dryer is going to range from about 115 to 145 depending on where it's at in its cycle. So you can see that it is getting hot, heating up just fine, and works good. And both of these are a very large capacity. Hit the start button there. And there you have it. Both of them work good. Excellent shape. Look good. I'll get them listed up for sale. But now you know, before you spend your money, that they work good. And that's always the best thing to know. So appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Have a good day.